Actor, you did everything right. You got visible, you got famous fast. Roles started coming to you instead of the other way round. And at first, that felt like freedom. Until you realize something else is happening. You are being offered the same role again, and again, and again. Success creates momentum, but it also creates expectations. Casting directors know what works, producers know what sells, audiences know you for a certain version of yourself. So the offers start to narrow. You are no longer choosing roles, roles are choosing you. And slowly that range you once had begins to tighten. What looks like a career peak can quietly become a straitjacket. There is a moment, often unspoken, where this shifts. You start wanting authorship, agency, risk, not louder roles, not bigger ones, just different ones. This is usually where historical roles or biopics enter the picture. Historical roles do something contemporary roles rarely allow. They remove you from your own image. You are no longer playing someone adjacent to yourself. You are stepping into a world with different rules, limits, and pressures. That distance creates freedom. It allows you to be judged on craft rather than familiarity, on restraint rather than charisma, on depth rather than speed. This is why these roles are often tied towards career or reorientation. Choosing a historical role to break out of a typecast is not a shortcut. It's a risk. Because you cannot lean on instinct alone. You cannot rely on modern psychology, and you cannot improvise context responsibly. If you approach this work casually, it will show. And instead of opening doors, it will close them. What changes everything is proper preparation. Not volume, not immersion tourism, not overloading yourself with historical material, but clarity. Understanding. Understanding what this person from the past could want. Understanding what they could not escape. Understanding what was unthinkable to them back then, and what they never had the option to choose. This is what separates a breakout performance from a respectable but forgettable one. If you are at the point where success feels narrow rather than expansive, the question is no longer how to get more roles, it's how to choose the right one. A historical role or biopic can change the trajectory of your career, but only if you treat it not as an escape, but as a responsibility. That is where the real creative freedom begins.